Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. Today we're tackling the 5th installment of our Urban Survival series, Securing Your Home, Urban Defense Strategies. This video will teach you how to assess your home's vulnerabilities, implement basic security measures, and explore advanced strategies to fortify your home. City living can be unpredictable, and protecting your home is crucial for any prepper or survivalist. Let's start with assessing your home's vulnerabilities. First, identify the weak points in your home's security. Check entry points like doors and windows. Are they sturdy? Can they be easily forced open? Walk around your property and see it through the eyes of a potential intruder. Conducting a security audit helps pinpoint these weaknesses. Test all locks, evaluate your lighting, inspect fences and gates, and make sure there's no overgrown vegetation providing cover for intruders. Now let's talk about basic security measures. Strong locks are essential. Install deadbolts on all exterior doors and make sure they extend at least 1 inch into the door frame. Reinforce your door frames with strike plates and door jamb reinforcements. Don't forget about window locks. Ensure all windows have secure locking mechanisms like pin locks for sliding windows. It's a simple upgrade that can make a big difference. Next, invest in a good security system. Alarms and cameras can deter potential intruders and alert you to any breaches. Cover all entry points and vulnerable areas with security cameras. Opt for cameras with night vision and motion detection. Consider smart security systems that let you monitor and control your security devices from your smartphone. This adds an extra layer of convenience and protection. Let's reinforce those doors and windows. Replace hollow core doors with solid wood or metal doors. Apply security film to windows to make them more resistant to breaking. Install window bars or grills, especially on ground-level windows. These measures make it harder for intruders to gain access and buy you precious time in an emergency. Now for advanced strategies. Creating a safe room provides a secure place to retreat if needed. This room should have reinforced walls and a solid lockable door. Equip it with a phone or two-way radio for communication, and stock it with essential supplies like water, food, and first aid kits. A safe room is a critical component of your home defense plan, giving you a safe haven in case of an intrusion. Another powerful strategy is creating a neighborhood watch. Establish a communication network with your neighbors. Organize regular patrols, and hold meetings to discuss security concerns and strategies. Working together enhances everyone's safety. Community cooperation can significantly boost your home's security, creating a safer environment for everyone. Finally, let's talk about home defense tools and legal considerations. Equip your home with defensive tools like pepper spray, tasers, or legally owned firearms. Make sure you're trained and knowledgeable about their use. Understand the laws regarding home defense in your area. Know what is legally permissible when defending your home and property. Securing your home requires a combination of assessing vulnerabilities, implementing basic security measures, and adopting advanced strategies. By taking these steps, you can create a safer environment for you and your family. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and fortify your home against potential threats. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more survival tips from Doomsday Prepper. And get ready for our next video in the Urban Survival series, Food and Water, Urban Foraging and Storage Tactics. Stay tuned for more survival tips, and remember, preparation is your best defense.